Hi, this video will be useful for those who are appearing NEET exam, and also it is useful for 12th standard students. This is about sexual reproduction, and if you want to learn about asexual reproduction, please watch our previous video and link will be given in the description box. Objectives of this video are types of sexual reproduction, different kinds of syngamy, phases of life cycle, types of breeding, parthenogenesis, and embryo development. Sexual reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes. There are two types of sexual reproduction: syngamy, in other words fertilization, and conjugation. In syngamy, the fusion of two haploid gametes takes place to produce a diploid zygote. Fertilization is of two types: external fertilization and internal fertilization. In external fertilization, the fusion of male and female gametes takes place outside of the body of female organisms. Example: sponges, fishes, and amphibians. In internal fertilization, the fusion of male and female gametes takes place within the body of female organisms. Example: reptiles, aves, and mammals. Different kinds of syngamy. Autogamy. The male and female gametes are produced by the same cells or same organisms. Example: actinosporium and paramecium. In exogamy, the male and female gametes are produced by different parents. It is biparental, dioecious, or unisexual. Example: human. Few lower organisms, they themselves behave like a gamete, and fusion of such individuals is known as hologamy. Example: trichonympha. Padhenogesis is the sexual union of young individuals produced immediately after the division of adult parent cell by mitosis. Merogamy is the fusion of morphologically different gametes, that is merogametes. Isogamy is the fusion of morphological and physiological identical gametes, that is isogametes. Example: monocytosis. And the fusion of dissimilar gametes are said to be anisogamy. Conjugation is the temporary union of two individuals of the same species. Phases of life cycle. Organisms have three phases in its life: juvenile phase, reproductive phase, and senescent phase. Juvenile phase, in other words it is called vegetative phase, is the period of growth. Reproductive phase is otherwise called maturity phase. The organisms reach maturity period and reproduce. Senescent phase is the degeneration sets of structure and functioning of the body. Types of breeding. On the basis of time of breeding, animal of two types: seasonal breeders and continuous breeders. Seasonal breeders reproduce at a particular period of the year. Example: frogs. Continuous breeders breeds throughout their sexual maturity. Parthenogenesis. Development of an egg into a complete individual without fertilization is known as parthenogenesis. It was first discovered by Charles Burnett in the year of 1745. Types of parthenogenesis. There are two types: natural parthenogenesis and artificial parthenogenesis. Natural parthenogenesis are two types: complete parthenogenesis and incomplete parthenogenesis. Complete parthenogenesis is the method of reproduction in certain animals, and such individuals are represented by female only. Incomplete parthenogenesis is found in some animals in which both sexual reproduction and parthenogenesis occurs. Example: honeybees. In padhogenetic parthenogenesis, the larvae produces a new generation of larvae by parthenogenesis. Example: radial larvae of liver fluke. Artificial parthenogenesis. Eggs are developed by either physical or chemical stimulus. Example, annelids. Based on the sites of embryo development, animals are three types: oviparous, viviparous, ovoviviparous. In oviparous animals, the young one hatch from egg laid outside of the mother's body. Example, reptiles and birds. Viviparity is the type of development in which young one are born after being nourished in the uterus through the placenta. Example, mammal. Ovoviviparous animals, the embryo develops inside the egg and remain in the mother's body until they are ready to hatch, and there is no parental connection. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.